Affirmations, they're a real buzzword at the moment, but what I want us to do is I want us to just pull it back, slow it down, explore what are affirmations, why are they helpful, and then maybe explore some affirmations for you and how you can try and use them. As you guys know, I'm running the London Marathon for Barnardo's in April this year, April 2023. And if you wanted to check out my profile and to see who I'm raising money for, then I'll put the link just about now for you to check out. A massive shout out goes out to Chris Maragakis, who works as a life coach. She's helped me so much in the past, certainly with gratitude, which was last week's video, and about affirmations in this week's video. So yeah, I just wanted to say thank you, Chris. An affirmation is using positive words in a powerful way. It's making a declaration about who we are as people. And with an affirmation, it's about telling ourselves and reminding ourselves about the importance and about the love and the care and the compassion that we deserve. In order to kind of really understand that we need love and compassion and that sense of caring, we need to give it to ourselves first. And language is really powerful. Language is really powerful. So one of the first things that we need to do when it comes to kind of finding the right affirmation is we need to be aware of the language that we're using towards ourselves. Are we speaking to ourselves with kindness, with love, with intention, with compassion, with forgiveness? Because actually the way that we speak to ourselves has a massive impact on how we allow other people to view and speak to us. We have to remind ourselves that we attract what we give off. So if we're giving off good vibes, then that's, will allow us to feel more confident and be more confident. The thing is, I don't know if you've heard of the quote, your vibe attracts your tribe. I think it's that. Your vibe attracts your tribe. Yeah. So it's about you. You can really tell that I do these videos on the spot, can't you? Like this, yeah. But your vibe will attract your tribe. So it just goes to show that it's about the way that you believe in yourself and having that confidence and that belief in yourself. Self-belief is a massive thing. It's a massive, massive thing. But if you're not going to believe in yourself, then why on earth would somebody else? So when it comes to finding the right affirmation for you, is that it needs to be a kind of word, a phrase, this mantra, this affirmation needs to be believable. I need you to believe in it. I need you to be able to say it and with kind of having that strength behind you. Because by believing in your affirmation will subconsciously allow you to look out for new opportunities where it will allow you to recognize your strengths of who you are. When you're searching for your affirmation, really research it. And with that, just go onto Google, go onto any search engine and just type in affirmations. There's a brilliant app called I Am. And with this app, make sure you set your notifications, because if not, it will turn off your notifications because it will just go crazy. But it will send you reminders, or it will have a widget that you can add to your wallpaper that constantly changes the affirmations, and you get to choose the category. And with that, it's about you making sure and taking the time to find the right one for you. So yes, do research your affirmation. Also, what I'd like you to do is to write it down. Write it down on a post-it note. I would like it to be in a place where you can see it every morning when you wake up and every time you go to bed at night. Also, what I'd also encourage you to do is maybe see if you can find it as an image on the computer, so then you can set it as a wallpaper on your phone. Again, it's about you being able to remind yourself and affirm it to yourself every time you read it, believing in it, that will allow you to really move forward with affirmations and using them in the right way. And do say that affirmation to yourself throughout the day, because then it's just allowing you to really remind yourself about what you're capable of. I'm going to have a selection. I'm going to grab some quotes. I'm going to get Taryn and I to put about now different affirmations. I am safe. I am kind. Good things happen to good people. Good opportunities will find their way. I am loved. I am safe. I think I might have said that one. There's loads of affirmations. Just take the time to find the right one for you. You've got this. That's one of my ones as well. This girl can is another one. Anyway, stay awesome, and I look forward to seeing you guys next week. Bye everybody.